Hi guys, welcome to my first ever quick vlog about how to become a VA. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang approaches, steps kung paano nga ba makahanap ng direct client. Kasi marami nagtatanong, paano ba ako nagsimula? Paano ba ako nakahanap ng direct client? And magkano na ba sinasahod ko ngayon? So hopefully I'll be able to answer all of that, especially yung last part by the end of July. But today we're just gonna focus on ano nga ba yung mga paraan kung paano ka makahanap ng direct client. Una, pinakauna sa lahat at pinaka-importante, referral. Okay? Kung hindi mo pa alam, papaalam ko sa'yo na ito yung pinaka-surefire way na makakahanap ka ng client. Build connections. Okay? People underestimate building connections so much na hindi nila alam na kapag marami kang connection, madali na lang sa'yo ang makahanap ng direct client. Now, in my experience, yung pinaka-first ever job ko as a VA was as a recruiter, and that was through referral. So, ni-refer ako ng kakilala ko sa trabaho dati. And then, diretso ako sa client interview. Fortunately, nakapasa ako sa client interview. And then, I worked as a recruiter for more than a year. And the 3 jobs after that were through referral as well. So, just referral alone, na simple word of mouth ng kakilala mo, i-refer ka sa client, surefire way na yun, makakahanap ka ng direct clients. Okay? Good thing about referral din kasi is hindi mo na kailangan dumaan pa ng napakarami pang steps bago ka i-interviewin ng client. Okay? As opposed to direct application kasi magsisend ka ng resume, send ka ng intro video, sasagot ka pa ng assessment before you even get to the point that you're interviewed by a client. Okay? So, less effort na yung referral. Surefire way na makakahanap ka ng direct client. Second, outreach. Okay? Not a lot of aspiring VAs do this, but it's the most one of the most useful and efficient way na makakahanap ka ng direct client. So, paano nga ba mag-outreach? Okay? Optimize mo lang yung profile mo sa LinkedIn. Highlight your skills, your expertise, and make your profile really professional. And then send a direct message to an employer from the US perhaps, or from the UK, or kung sino man yung target mo na time zone or na employer from a different location. Okay? So, kapag nag-reach out ka and timing na kailangan nila ng tulong when it comes to operations or sa sales perhaps or sa recruitment, tapos yung kailangan nila ay kabilang doon sa expertise mo, good, nakahanap ka na ng client, right? So, outreach, good way as well. Third is, ito yung pinaka-common, and people usually just go through this approach directly, yung direct application. So, send ka ng resume sa onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, freelancer.com, and napakarami pang job boards like LinkedIn and Indeed. Okay? I would not advise na dito ka magsimula kasi napakataas ng competition. Okay? Back when I was working as a recruiter, okay? Back when I was working as a recruiter, nag-post ako ng jobs sa onlinejobs.ph, and not even 2 hours after I posted the job, sobra na 150 applicants yung nang-apply sa trabaho. Okay? And that tells me that there's really high competition pagdating sa VA na trabaho. Okay? Now, I'm not saying it's not efficient, it's not successful, kasi most of my jobs right now as a VA are through direct application. Yun lang, dapat ka lang magtiis talaga sa high competition, and then yung talagang dadaan ka talaga sa step na sasagot ka ng assessment, magsisend ka ng intro video, and a lot more. Okay? So those are the 3 steps or approaches to find yourself a direct client. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, follow, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be able to answer the next question soon. Thank you.